Yeah, I'm Mike, and we're going to be changing the engine oil on our John Deere 85G.
Order engine oil and engine oil filters on FortisHD.com. Special thanks to TekamoHD for providing the mechanical expertise seen in this video. If you need to book a mechanic, reach out at TekamoHD.com. You'll need an engine oil filter and engine oil. Aftermarket equivalents are below. You'll also need engine oil. We're using 12.3 liters of Tekamo 15W40, but the weight you need will depend on the climate you're in. If you're doing this service yourself, make it easy and purchase one of our service kits that will have every filter you need. FortisHD.com.
So you need to remove your belly pan from under here. This is your drain plug for your engine oil, right on the oil pan. Socket size for your drain plug on this particular machine is a 19 millimeter. Make sure you have a suitable container for your oil collection. The engine oil capacity for this particular machine is 12.3 liters. It's always good to check before.
We also recommend you sampling your engine oil at every service. Check the link in the description.
So when you pull your drain plug out there, it's always good to check your seal, replace it, put a new seal on here, and then go ahead and reinstall your drain plug. Snug this up. It doesn't have to be super tight, so don't over tighten these because you can strip the drain pans. Next up is the engine oil filter. Oil filter for this one is located up on the inward side of the engine. Oh yeah, got her. I like to use a parts bag, slip over these things because they can make a mess. Get it up there the best you can. Here comes the oil. You can kind of catch it in the bag. Once you've removed your oil filter and cleaned up the filter base, go ahead and get your new oil filter, lubricate the seal, and install it. And it just need to be hand tight, nothing over tight. This particular machine takes 12.3 liters of 15W40. So here's our oil fill, top of the valve cover. Just inspect your seal in here, make sure it's still good. Today we're using Tekamo flavored 15W40. Trying not to make a mess. Hey, look at that, we're bang on the money. Clean and recheck just to be sure. And it's just right below the top line. We're gonna run up the machine now, check our levels, top up as required. That's how you change your engine oil and oil filter on an 85G. If you guys want this done on your machines, but don't have anyone to do it or can't do it, reach out to TekamoHD and we'll be happy to help.